Girl, you want pay for your visa, make you fly out regular. Baby, back up your bumper, sit down on it. Girl, your boom boom good on your.
Here. You better not touch my butt. I'm leaving this in there too. That you abuse me. I'm leaving this in there. So we back. To stop, fucking rapist. So we're back. We're back, and I don't fucking know. Whatever. Back with another video. Kev with the Bev here, and today I surprised my girlfriend with a date. We're on a date, and we're in the Museum of Natural History. And I just got our tickets. Big disabled, because I got free membership for the year. You know why? Because I'm big disabled. Big disabled. I'm leaving that in there too. Big disabled. What? They can't cancel somebody who don't give a fuck. I'm damn near Drewski. But yeah, we're at the Museum of Natural History. Are we about to have some fun? We'll be back at the first thing. Space. Adventure. Death. A booty hole. That like a booty hole. I'm telling you. That like a booty hole.
Where's the...
That like a booty hole.
I'm trying to figure out where we at.
Here we go. You and maps.
Shut up.
You and maps. Take a look at booty hole. Alright, these are all spaceship. We are in the wild. Looking at her exes.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this one. He thought he would still be here, but he's not. He thought he would still be here.
Hundreds of species of plants.
Turn the light on bright as shit in here. Look at that. And now we have her bitch ass exes. Oh my god.
Night in the museum definitely. Because what if they start just...
I just pushed her, that's why. I just pushed her. If Night in the Museum happened, she going first. Wait, you're just in the shot. This is an Alaska brown bear. Yeah. Alaska brown bear.
What's the difference?
Grizzly.
Versus Alaska brown.
Grizzly bear. Carolina. This came alive?
If it's brown, lay down. If it's black, fight
Turn around
down.
over
If
this
it's brown, lay down. If it's white, then
turn around. Look at that.
I want to see snakes. Hello.
Chakwa.
it's short.
Underestimate if you want to. Mountain lions. Look at that.
The sound is lion making it though? They should have one at the cut.
I'm gonna look at these.
These ones, they fuck you, you go down.
Good goat.
These are sheep. It says what
I'm saying, they like the movie from Marvel, Thor, Love and Thunder. That you never mind. Never mind.
Hell yeah. You can't even find them unless you can't even find them by
Bison and pronghorn.
Yeah, this is from the 1800s because nowadays, it says
I was about to smack
Wyoming.
the fuck out the camera.
Wyoming, you can't get that in Wyoming no more. And then the only place you could possibly find another bison is maybe in Canada.
Right. Educated.
And then.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Girl, you want pay for your visa, make you fly out regular. Baby, back up your bumper, sit down on it. Girl, your boom boom good on your feet. Do we give you everything, whether in my wallet or in my pocket?
Hello? Yo. Lady.
You feel your visa, make you fly out regular. Baby, back up your bumper, sit down on it. Tell your pum pum good on your feet. Do it, do everything whether in my wallet or in my pocket. I mean, see your baby that, baby that, baby that. I mean, see your baby that, baby that, baby that. Get a good body, drive my man, love your back, swear to God. Baby, you want love for life, queen my wife, Barbie doll. Baby, back up your bumper, sit down on it. Back up your bumper, sit down on it. Back up your bumper, sit down on it. Tell your pum pum good on your feet. Back up your bumper, sit down on it. Back up your bumper, sit down on it. Back up your bumper, sit down on it. Tell your pum pum good on your feet. You like you move on. You feel your feet and make you fly you regular. Baby, back up your bumper, sit down on it. Tell your pum pum good on your feet. Do everything but in my wallet, in my pocket.
Consideration. From here you feel a nation. True.
Yeah, we back. I forgot. I ain't gonna lie. I totally forgot to vlog the end of it. But no, actually, we went into the Sphere. I forgot what it's called, like the attraction, the actual attraction thing. You can't record in there. You can't use your phones. You can't open it. You can't do nothing. So I put that away. And then after that, we was like, hungry like 2 stray dogs. Hold on. You say I got your address? Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. I'm sorry, I'm obsessed with that. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, we saw that. It was amazing. I love that shit. That Sphere where you look up and the galaxies or whatever attraction's on. That time we chose the galaxy joint. But yeah, we saw that, and then we finished it, and then it was like time to go. Hungry like 2 stray dog. And we got other shit to do. So yeah, finished that. It was a good day. Well, we not done though. We're about to make burgers. We're about to make burgers. I'm gonna have regular burgers. Burgers. I'm gonna have regular burgers, and she gonna have vegan burgers. She don't eat meat, except for mine. But yeah, we about to do that. We wait until what time is it? It's like new watch. Peep the new drip. But yeah, it's like 4 or something. We about to wait. She said she went to like 5 till it defrost because we forgot to take it out before we left. So we're gonna wait till like 5, a good hour. It's not fully frozen because it's hot in my house, so the fridge didn't really freeze it. So we're gonna wait like an hour and we're gonna cook some burgers. We're gonna get back to you when we do it. Don't worry about that, bro. This has nothing to do with the video. This actually, no, I could put this in there. So still waiting for the burgers, but babe is making, what you making?
Bok choy stir fry.
Bong chong ya bak dang. Some of those lines. She's making something like that. Bak chong mung chung 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 che.
I'm making bok choy stir fry.
That's what I just said. Bong chong ya bak dang. Bak tu me wa. Yeah, she making that real quick. For work tomorrow and just to have, you know. But anyways, this is Yapping with Kev, with the Bev. We're gonna cut this out until I figure something. Oh yeah, you know what we can say? I had a good time. I really like the spear thing. Oh, by the way, we went to the Museum of Natural History. I don't know if I said that in the beginning. I probably did. My favorite part was the spear. Was it called the spear? Whatever it was. Yeah, I think it was called the spear. You sit back and break your the planetarium. There we go. Thank you. Planetarium. And you sit back and break your neck to look up at the big ass spear. That's what's in the ceiling. And it shows everything. It's like a 45D experience or whatever. That shit is lit. I love that. I want to go back for all of them. Shit lit. Yeah, that's my favorite part. And also my favorite part was just being with my baby. We going out. Cause like I haven't been there since fucking middle school. It was a school trip. Sat in the back. Promise you, I think I was probably one of the probably 5 I can count on my hand that was actually paying attention. Everybody else was just fucking around, not listening, talking, or on their phone, or doing some dumb shit. You know, like, even though it was strict. I haven't been there in a minute since middle school. It was strict. She talking about no phones, no recording, no lights, put everything away. You know,
Respect our rules.
right? I'm telling you, like, she was strict, but yeah, it was dope. It was dope. Definitely going back, you know, cause I'm disabled, and you know it's free. So for me, for y'all niggas, get your money up. But anyway, say I knew just what you want, and I knew just what you need, girl. So baby, bring your body to me, bring your body mine. I'm not fooling around with you, baby. My love is true. With you is where I wanna be. What he said? He said I need the one. Hold on. To satisfy my every need. I don't see nothing wrong with a little bumping ground, nothing wrong. You know that one? Oh baby, yeah, I don't see nothing wrong. This is a digital footprint I'm making right now. Whole digital footprint, and I'm gonna put this in there too. And it dancing for my neck. All right, we back. We got the onions going. She doing like the onions over there. She doing her burgers first, you know. Big vegan. Damn. Big vegan burgers. You know.
I'll throw them away.
All right, well the cover's in the garbage, but you know her shit first. Seasoning, you know we. Nigga.
Oh my.
No, we gotta season that motherfucker. You know what I mean? So she doing hers first. Doing the onions and shit. She did her a bang chong ya bak. What's it called? Bang chong ya bak.
Bok choy stir fry.
So her bang chong ya bak dong. She did that. Mine's over there. You
Let me
know.
put it close to so it can defrost faster, because who got the time for all that?
Yeah. What she said? She said, you know, seasoning. To freedom. But yeah, we doing that. First step. We're gonna get back to you when it's almost done. No. Continue. Damn. So, we got the next step. Got the cheese out. Got her buns and ketchup mayonnaise on that shit. She got the onions. She doing her burgers right now. Smell good. You know, for vegan burgers, man, they smell good. I never had them.
I don't know how the season goes.
There you go. She doing those. Oh, they smell good though. So she about to put on the cheese now. We got monster sliced cheese. That's one. Ah! Monster sliced cheese. Got the other one. Put it on the other one. And then cover.
I just don't want it to melt on the sides of the pan.
Alright, so we back. She finished with hers. That's how they came out. I might actually washing the pot real quick before we do mine. So hers came out. Now it's time for mine. Now I pre-did my buns. No funny shit. Pre-did my buns. So now I put the mayo on everything. Let me tell you about this. Game changer. I fucks with this. Game changer. My shit pre-ready. I already gonna put that right there. Got my seasons. Got my onions. My shit right here. Good to go. And we about to start. We back. Boom. So it's my turn. Kev with the best. That's my shit going season. You know how we do. Season. You know what I mean? If you don't know about this, keep that shit from propping up at you. Put that shit right over it. You good. Leave it like that. And give it a couple minutes and come back. You know what I mean? And then I'll give it a couple minutes and come back. And then, you know, type shit. We back. Alright, boom. Take that off. See that? Make sure it's nice and yup. There you go. Take it. Alright, here's the thing. This shit gonna pop like a motherfucker. Shield yourself. You're gonna flip. Flip. Right? You're gonna do the same thing here. Right? You're gonna flip. Flip. Alright, it came out crazy, but listen, it flipped. And then we put that back on that. Oh. We'll be back. Alright, so we back. My shit pretty much finished. Now we put the cheese. Now we put the cheese. Now we put the cheese. Hold on, I'm putting the cheese on. I folded it up nicely. Fold up my cheese. Right, put that on there. And cover that back. Cover that back. And then cover that back. And we're gonna give it a minute. And let that sit. And we back. And we are done. So I got baby vegan burgers. Y'all. And I got mine. Regular. Really chef that bitch up for real. Huh? You know what I mean? Now we about to chow down and eat. Thank you for watching. Whew, it's hot in the kitchen, hot, it's hot, all type of shit. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining Kev with the Bed. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. Come back for more. We'll see you next time. I'm fuck with you.
Me cash hot, who I want tax. Me Rolex, on a cheap price.